This is the hidden truth about Black American freedmen men and why we single them out. Here are 7 ways Black freedmen men have made an impact. Steve Henson. Meet Black inventor and cowboy named Steve Henson. He created one of the most popular condiments we have today, ranch dressing. He named it ranch because he prepared it in his ranch kitchen. Hidden Valley was the actual name of the ranch he owned. James Heming. When Thomas Jefferson fell in love with mac and cheese overseas, he had his slave James trained in French cuisine to feed him here in America. It was Mr. Heming who gave America mac and cheese, French fries, and creme brulee. Unfortunately, Jefferson took the credit. Dr. Booker Whatley. Dr. Booker Whatley developed what he called a clientele membership club to give Black farmers income and Black families food. Members would pay a membership fee to keep the farm afloat. In return, they received fresh produce. John Young. Mr. John Young was the owner of a busy restaurant in Buffalo, New York, when he created tangy sauce wings that became a hit. Today, we know those replicated tangy wings as buffalo wings. He would spend the last few years of his life proving his invention, even though there is an Italian family that says that they are the originators. George Crumb. Mr. George Crumb is credited with inventing the potato chip while working as a cook. When a customer sent his fried potatoes back, Mr. Crumb sliced a few potatoes as thin as he could. He fried them to a crisp and served them. Whether he was being sarcastic or not, the potato chip was born. Robert Bogle. The term caterer was not used here until the 1800s, but it came from Mr. Robert Bogle. He began his journey by opening a restaurant in Philadelphia. The master chef became recognized not only for his upscale restaurant, but also for later expanding his services to include cooking and serving his delicacies at elaborate weddings and banquets for his clients. Others would follow this Black man's idea, and the term was later developed to describe the practice. Black Panther Party. After the Black Panther Party learned that child nutrition and eating a filling breakfast helped children, they took action. The Black Panthers' Free Breakfast for School Children program fed tens of thousands of hungry kids daily. While the group would be sabotaged, the federal government created WIC in 1972 as an amendment to the Child Nutrition Act of 1966 and established WIC as a permanent national health and nutrition program. This is the true narrative of Black freedmen that white supremacists don't want to talk about. This is why it is so important for Black American freedmen to know their history. Black freedmen, everyone.